Happy New Year, everyone! We all hope that we can make 2021 an effing exciting year, but you may be asking yourself, how? Don't you worry, I've got this covered. That's why I made this video, so let's go! What's up guys, I'm Lula S, and today I'm recording this video on the 31st of December 2020, the very last day of the year, and I wanted to share a couple of tips with you on how to make the most of 2021. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Tip number 1. Take care of your health. The current pandemic reminded us that our health is our most valuable asset. Staying healthy has a direct positive impact not only on our bodies but also on our emotions, especially in challenging times like these, involving stress, uncertainty, social isolation and lockdowns. Staying healthy also has a fantastic effect on our immune system, protecting us better against COVID-19 and other diseases. According to famous YouTuber Dr. Mike, the 4 pillars of health are sleep. He recommends getting at least 7 to 9 hours a night, eating healthily, exercising, and avoiding bad habits such as smoking and drinking. Tip number 2. Break your goals down. Many of us have big goals: financial abundance, to raise a family, to build a great career, to make an impact on the world. When you look at those goals, they all seem overwhelming. So don't think too big. Don't focus too much on the final goal. Break your goal down into little steps and focus on them instead. Give yourself a deadline for each of those little steps. Then you've got a specific plan of action. If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. Tip number 3. Master your focus. If you keep focusing on what's missing in your life, you'll constantly feel frustrated. The same way, if you focus all the time on what you cannot control, you'll be constantly disappointed and unhappy. Focus is power. It's extremely important to focus on 3 things: on the little steps leading to your goals, that will give you a sense of purpose and motivate you; on what you can control, that will empower you. It will boost your optimism and self-confidence; on the great things you already have, that will fill you with gratitude, one of the most essential components of a happy life. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I wish you all a fantastic new year.